Welcome to Healing with Heart. Simple ideas for profound healing. These videos are meant for informational purposes only, not intended to diagnose or treat medical conditions.
Hey guys, Dr. Martin Hart here. Today I want to talk about our cellular battery packs. In the human body, each of our cells is almost like a battery pack containing electricity. And lately I've been talking a lot about this electricity, energy, and how these battery packs work inside the human body. But today I wanted to get into just a little bit more detail. We need energy to live, of course. And our cells generate energy by moving around electrons, little packets of negatively charged electric molecules. So in biology, we call this process the electron transport chain, where electrons are transported around, generating energy in the mitochondria, known as ATP. Now, they don't just generate energy, we also need electrons to neutralize toxins, clean up free radicals. What happens inside the body is these toxins and free radicals or reactive oxygen species, things like that, when they get inside a cell or a tissue, they start stealing electrons from other cells. That's a problem because number one, it damages them. And number two, it reduces energy. It starts to wreak havoc. This is why antioxidants are so helpful for us. They donate electrons. That starts to clean up the toxins and free radicals and helps our cells generate energy. Now, a lot of people don't know that many of the things we call antioxidants actually aren't electron donors. They actually work as a pro-oxidant that irritate the cell. Things like green tea extract or sulforaphane from broccoli, they're actually not electron donors. What they do is they go in and they irritate the cell so the cell makes its own antioxidants. Now, this can be really good unless your batteries are just totally drained. If your cell's depleted, trying to pump it to get it to do more is not going to work, right? It's like taking an exhausted marathon runner and asking them to do even more physical work. There's nothing left, okay? So we need to look at real antioxidants. Things like vitamin C, vitamin E, glutathione that actually donate electrons. Now there's some other things that can steal electrons in our body. Surgical implants, especially ones that are metallic, right? So like an artificial hip or dental implants, hidden infections, especially those ones hidden in pockets like in little biofilms of the joint or in teeth or sinuses, they're constantly stealing electrons. And even things like junk food, preservatives, all of that have to be neutralized and steal electrons from us. So if you're running on empty, if your batteries are drained, you're chronically ill, then you need to be paying attention to the state of your cell's electricity and the electrons within it. Now, we need a steady stream of electrons and the right internal environment to make your electrical circuits work. So what are some great sources of electrons? Well, whole foods are a good one that are full of antioxidants. Think of all your deep colors, right? That's going to be a great source of electron donor. You can reduce the amount of free radical damage that's getting created in your body with things like a carnivore diet or a keto diet or eliminating all the junk food from your diet. It's going to be a huge one, right? Just trying to eat clean, wholesome food. It's going to be a great source of that. Number two, our environment. Getting grounded is a great way to do this. Getting near open water or the ocean, flowing water that moves. Eliminating salt lamps, right? All of those things are great sources of electrons. Okay, getting sunlight. So really a great way to boost your electrons in your body. Eat natural foods, get out in nature. I hope this is helpful for you. Please share with anybody you find might need it and comment below.